Hello students. In this class, we'll understand the difference between needs, wants and demands. So what are needs of any individual? Needs are the basic requirements of any individual. Needs are generally food, shelter, clothing, and the extended needs these days are healthcare and education as well. So the basic needs are we need air, we need water, we need food, shelter, clothing, healthcare and education. So these are the basic needs of any individual. These are not created by any company. These are not created by any company. These are basic needs or basic requirements of any individual. Now what are wants? When needs are directed towards specific objective, then it turns out to be a want. Like I want food. Like suppose I need food, I am hungry. But I want a burger, I want a pizza, I want a masala dosa. So that is a want. You want something more, something extra. That is not your basic requirements, but you need when the needs are directed towards specific objects, specific objectives. Now what are demands? Now demands are wants for specific products backed by an ability to pay. Now wants turns out to be demands turns out to be wants for specific products backed by an ability to pay. So now demand can be fulfilled when you have the ability to pay. That means when the customer has the purchasing power, then only he is going to satisfy his wants. So now demand can be fulfilled only when you have the ability to pay. So now that is the difference between needs, wants and demands. Now what is the role of marketing or of any company? Now marketing cannot create a need. No company can create a need, but they can create wants. They can create wants and they try to fulfill the demands of the people. They focuses on fulfilling the demand of the customers. So we'll take an example. What are the types of needs we are understanding? There are stated needs. Now stated need, like suppose I'm hanging out with my friends in a mall. I'm in a mall and I am hungry. I want food, right? I'm hungry. Now my hunger can be satisfied with any food, right? But I need to go to McD. I want to have a burger, right? So now stated needs is I need food, right? Now why I'm going to McD, right? I want to have a burger. Now real need is that I want quick and inexpensive food. I want quick and inexpensive food. That is the real need of any customer. I want quick service. I want quick food because I want to satisfy my hunger, right? Now the unstated needs are I want a safe and hygienic food. Now if you see, not a single customer will come to you in any restaurant, in any hotel. If you see, not a single customer will come to you and say that I have ordered a food and I want a hygienic food. I want a clean, I want a tasty, I want a hygienic food. That customer is not going to specify that because that is very obvious. You're providing food, you're providing consumable item, so that is supposed to be hygienic, right? So that is unstated needs. The customer is not going to speak to you that. He is not going to disclose the unstated needs. But that is expected. That person wants safe and hygienic food. Right. Now the delighted needs. The delight needs will be the customer wants free dessert. Something extra, ice cream or something else, complimentary or free. Now then only the customer will be happy. The customer will be delighted. Yes, I have not only satisfied my hunger, but I was not expecting something, but I am now happy. I got a free dessert, I have an ice cream, I have got something in complimentary or in free. So that is going to make the customer more happy, satisfied, contented, and then only the customer will become delighted, right? Because you are offering something extra. Now the secret needs, when you see, I have disclosed, in this beginning I have told you कि I am hungry, I was in a mall, I was hanging out with my friends or with my family. So the secret need was कि I wanted I want a particular space for my family members and for my friends. I want to enjoy that time, I want to have a burger with them, and I want to feel happy, and I want to enjoy that moment. So actually MACD provides that all these needs or the secret needs, the company who fulfill all these needs are successful ones, right? Because when we see the MACD or a Pizza Hut, they provide such space to you that you can sit, you can enjoy with your family, with your friends, and you can satisfy your hunger or you can satisfy your needs and wants. So actually when the company focuses on real needs, unstated needs, then the company becomes more successful. So these are the types of needs: the stated needs, the real needs, unstated needs, delighted needs, and secret needs. So I hope the difference between needs, wants, and demand is clear to you. Another example we'll take of a car. Now I need a car, I need a four-wheeler, right? Anyone would need a car, right? Now someone may want a BMW or a Mercedes. That will be a want, and it will be a demand if you are able to pay, if you have the ability to pay and purchase a Mercedes or a BMW, right? So need is, I need a four-wheeler now, but a want is, anyone would like to have, would like to purchase a Mercedes or a BMW or a Ferrari. But the demand, that is, want for specific product backed by an ability to pay. So if you have the ability to purchase that, then only it will be a demand. So again, needs cannot be created by marketing. It cannot be created by any company. Wants are created, and any company will focus on demand. They focus on fulfilling the demands of the consumers. So now we are understanding types of need with another example of a car. I want to purchase a car. Someone wants to purchase a car, a Mercedes, right? Now the stated need is that need a car. Now the real need is that it should be, the mileage should be good, the service should be good, it should not be that expensive. That means it should create some value for the customer. That means if I am ready to pay, so I should get a better service. I should get a good car. Now the real need is that, right? Now the unstated need is, I want safety, I want comfort in the car, right? Now the delighted needs are free service for 3 years, warranty, right? So that will be delighted need. I am getting something extra. I'm getting a good music system in my car or something. I am getting a free service every 3 months or till 3 years. I'll be getting free service, right? So that will be delighted needs when a person is purchasing a car. So they should feel satisfied and happy. They should feel extra. They are getting something extra than what they have paid. Right, and the secret need will be, I'm purchasing a car, I'm purchasing a luxury car, a Mercedes or a BMW, so I want to enhance my social status, I want to show power and influence on other people, right? So now these, the real needs and unstated needs and the delighted needs, these needs will never be disclosed by any customer. They are not going to disclose us. They are not going to speak to you, right? If any of the customer, they are visiting a BMW or a Mercedes showroom, so that is very specific. They are ready to pay. They are there to purchase a luxury car, so they are ready to pay. But what you are offering to them, you cannot offer them, you cannot say them. That is very obvious that you have to satisfy the real needs, their unstated needs, and you have to make them delighted customers, you have to make them happy customers, right? So these needs will not be disclosed by any customers, but the company, those who understand these needs of any customer, they are more successful. Not anyone else, because you are in that showroom, you're ready to pay, you are paying, but that is very obvious thing. You need a good service, you need low maintenance, the mileage should be good. the person is asking for a car, it should be available at reasonable price, right? Of course, it's a luxury car, but still the price the person is ready to pay. But now this person is not going to specify these needs, but when a company understands this, the company is able to create a value for the customer, and the customer, they feel happy. So these are the needs and the secret needs. Even if someone is there to purchase a luxury car, a Mercedes or a BMW, so that is a secret need also that customer is not going to disclose, that that person wants to enhance his or her social status or show power and influence on other people. So these are the types of needs. The first one is the stated one, and other needs the company needs to identify and use it for marketing purpose, right? So this way we have understood the concept of needs, wants, and demand. Thank you.